it's Pam with Organizer AZ 911 and welcome to another episode of my weekly weight loss vlog series. And in this vlog I wanted to talk a little bit more about the meal planning menu I made because I did some tweaks to it. Now if you go back and you see the video I did on my meal planning, you'll see that it wasn't working with just writing it in or putting little post-its on our meal planning. So I tweaked it a bit and now I've got a really cool, wonderful, permanent system here. Okay, that I think looks really neat from a distance. So what I did was I went to Walmart. This is a calendar board I bought at Walmart, very inexpensive, doesn't bust the budget at all. And then I bought these magnetic strips, okay, that you can, and I used my label maker and I printed up all of our menus, our different meals, okay? And I even printed up the sides, all right? Everything we ever made that was healthy for us, I printed up for us to choose from. And then I just stuck them to this magnetic strip to make it look a lot neater. And then I color-coded the shopping and the cooking ones to designate when we did our shopping and cooking. Again, notice we only shop twice a month and we only cook twice a month. We do 7 meals on our cooking days and we double batch them, so we are having identical meals but they are spread out over 2 weeks, okay? So that's not really, you're not going to get sick of it. So like both Sundays we're having breaded pork chops. On both Mondays we're having chicken quesadillas, okay? And these are healthy versions that I have found online or in various places, but that we have verified are healthy. All right? So this makes it neat because we can just peel them off and move them around. Or the next thing I wanted to show you is I got these little boxes. They're found at Walmart for like under $1, okay? And they come with a lid that snaps with little, little side things that snap. I took the lid off and the little handles that snap. And inside, I have all the additional meals, I don't know if that's right set up, that we make. And then I took 2 command hooks right up there, and those command hooks fit right under the lip here. So when I put it on, it holds it. And I've got 1 box for my meals and 1 box for my sides. All right? Now, for the dates, I saw these boxes were kind of tiny, all right? And I did this because I hate seeing chicken scratch all over. And on whiteboards, it gets smeared off very easily. So I wanted something that I could permanently see easily, but not so permanent that you couldn't change it up, okay? So then I got at Walmart these little dot magnet buttons, okay? And I took some yellow acrylic paint and a little sponge, and I just took the tops, on all the tops I just painted them yellow, okay? And I made 1 for the month so we could designate 1 month, and then I made 1 for each day of the month. Again, I can change it out. So when March 1st comes down here, we can move that on down, okay? Again, it's permanent, but not permanent. But it looks neat and organized. I love this system. It is working wonders for us here. I wanted to share this with you. Again, all of this is found at Walmart. The whiteboard, the magnet dots, the magnet strip, and you can use either, if you don't have a label maker at home, don't worry about it. Just print it up on the regular Avery labels and cut them out to fit the strip. You can do it any way you want, but what's so nice about this is you can move them around, but they still look nice and uniform and neat. Okay, I hope you found this vlog helpful. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. Poke that like button below. And if you're new to my channel, please poke that subscribe button as well and ring the bell so that you know every time I upload a new weight loss vlog. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ 911. Thanks for watching.